Hey guys, it's me again. So we're back to the topic of rejoining yourself with nature. With the nature, trust me, it's worth it because the moment you start going out more often in the nature, you feel more energetic, and at least I keep smiling more often this way. I'm just returning back from work now. So it's important to keep reminding ourselves that it is really good to be outside, because I started going on night hikes for a while now and I just love it. I mean, even though I sleep after that 4 or 5 hours because I have to get up to work the next morning, I don't feel tired and I feel so energetic because the fresh air is helping me fall asleep much faster and deeper. I have deeper sleep for a longer time. So it is really important. There is time that we actually don't realize how important it is to be outside in the nature. Look at this. But here, it's winter here, it's January, but there are still flowers, so colorful and everything, when there is no leaves on the trees and you can't see any color from there. But this way it's beautiful because you can still see the colors and how beautiful everything is. I'm just crossing the road right now. Okay. Back on the same boat space, but it's lighter this time. There is still a bunch of cars here, but still it's cold. But the fresh air is so literally refreshing. It makes your mind relax from the daily stress, from the daily routine. It's helping you to find more ways to express yourself, and that's really important, because if you excuse me my breathing, I'm just taking my breath now. If you clear your mind, your thoughts, you are able to achieve more, to make your dreams more successful than usual. And it is better because you're inserting less efforts, but meanwhile the results are mind-blowing, because when we're not so stressed about the daily routine, we can clearly think of, this is the moon there, we can clearly think of how to make our lives better and easier. And to be honest, unexpected ideas are coming then when we have our minds settled. Somebody will say probably, yeah, I know what you're talking about, it's bullshit or so. My mind is okay, my mind is pretty focused and clear. Yeah, that's probably true, but just if you just go outside, for example, your store is 5 or 10 minutes walking from your home, and if you just go outside just to go to the store, nothing else, and you feel so much more energized and better, and feel like, okay, I want to go further. And for example, you made a list with your groceries and everything, but you realize that once you go to the store, you follow that list strictly, but while you were in your house, you were still like, okay, I keep forgetting this and this and this. What else am I forgetting? And you just go to the store just because you had that 5 to 10 minute walk outside instead of using the car or so. And the moment you go to the store, you're like, okay, I forgot about this. I have to buy this again as well. And I'm also missing this and this and this. And think about it. That's also an effect of you going out. That's a statue of a lady here. At least now, because it's not so dark, I'm able to show you more of this town. It's a pretty beautiful town, by the way. Right now I'm also going home, but I will walk aside because I first have to go to some place delivery service to take my package, and it's refreshing my mind, like literally. This is the international fair here. Throughout the whole year, there are different events. For example, in February, there will be events about cultures like plants in the garden, in the sea. Sorry, not in the sea. In the garden, and farmers are more interested about it. There will also be exhibition about wines, different wines, and food tests, and it's pretty cool. But for this, you also because the place inside is very big, until you reach a certain building, you will still be walking outside for a while, and it's so beautiful, especially if you go walk through the night when there is not so much traffic and so much noise and it's quieter. You can clearly see how your mind is changing. During the night, you can see how your thoughts are getting clearer and not so frustrated, and that's a very good thing. I mean, it's for a reason why we take our kids, whoever has a kid, outside while they're small, while they're little, to breathe the fresh air, to consume the vitamin D from the sun, but also to explore everything. And they feel so amazing. They can't stop running and jumping and everything. That's because of the fresh air, guys. I know it's inside of the towns, it's not so fresh, but it's much fresher than inside of our places where we live. So think about it, and whenever you have time, nobody says to go outside for hours and hours and hours if you don't feel like it. 10 to 20 minutes per day is more than enough at first. After that, little by little, everyone will start, if you just start doing it, you guys start feeling how you want to stay outside for longer, you by yourself. I mean, not somebody making you or so. So guys, if you decide to follow my advice, just do it 10 to 15 to 20 minutes every day until you feel like, okay, that's not enough for me anymore, I want to stay longer outside. and you see how you're cleaning yourself from all the anger and the stress that has been on the work, in at home and everything, and you feel like, okay, this happened easily to me. I feel much happier. I guess that's the reason why. So yeah, that's my advice to you guys. Write in the comment section below what you think. Give me more ideas of what you want me to talk about, how you want me to talk about. I mean, if you like the topic or no, hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and like it. Thank you guys. See you soon.